it's not the Holocaust that makes, made an effect of how the Jewish culture is represented, but maybe more this Soviet occupation, because people, I don't know, there is a stereotype that a lot of Jewish people belong to Communist Party. Although scientists have written a lot of stuff about that, if you take the percentage of the total amount of people and how many were in the party, the numbers won't be different from Lithuanians, Russians, or anyone else. It was just the same. Some belonged and some didn't. But I think that people still, are upset about all this Soviet thing, and that's why they just ignore a little the Jewish culture and Jewish life in here.